Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to go over what a screen time password is, how it's used, how you could change it or turn it off if you choose to do so, if you're not necessarily sure what that password is. Let's jump right in. Now, first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Screen Time midway down, scroll down again, until you see Change Screen Time Passcode. If you see that there is a screen time passcode set on your iPhone and potentially limiting the functionality of your phone. If you tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and try to turn this off, you might see Enter Your Screen Time Passcode. Now keep in mind that screen time passcode is not the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. It's a completely separate screen time passcode that was set up by whoever turned on screen time. So if you enter in the correct screen time passcode, essentially you'll be able to make those changes and toggle these on and off. However, let's say you don't know that screen time passcode. You can always go back out of here and tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. And then you can choose to either change it, or if you don't prefer a screen time passcode to limit the functionality of your iPhone, you can tap Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. You can see I need to enter in that password. However, if I don't remember what it is, I can always tap on Forgot Password. And it says Screen Time Password Recovery. Enter the Apple account you provided to reset this screen time passcode. So all you need to do is start with the email or phone number of the Apple account that signed up or set up that screen time passcode. And then you'll enter in the password. Sometimes they'll email a verification code to them. And then you'll be able to go through the process of disabling or turning off the screen time password if you don't want it. Now, if you don't know this, you can also tap on Forgot Password. If you don't know both the screen time password as well as the Apple ID password, you can enter in the email and phone number. And again, it will either text or email a code to you. And then from there, you can reset the Apple ID password and then turn off or reset that screen time passcode. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that one too. Thanks, guys.